Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Read AI to your Microsoft Teams meetings and start getting AI-powered summaries instantly. So first things first, head over to Read AI and click on Get Started and sign up with your Microsoft account. This lets Read access your team's calendar. So once you're in, you can connect your Outlook calendar so Read can automatically join upcoming team meetings as a smart assistant. Now, whenever you schedule a Teams meeting, Reed will join as a silent guest, recording insights, action items, and speaker breakdowns. No setup needed during the call. Or you can also add Read AI in this method. Click on the share link, and then you can click here and paste your link to the live AI meeting. After that, as you can see here, Read has been added to your live call. As you can see here, Read AI will request to join your team meeting. And that's it, easy as that. That's how you add Read AI to Teams. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials.